Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
The most valuable thing that you can ever ask from anybody is their attention. It's not about how special you are. It's about what problems can you solve for them. If they listen to you, what they will be able to do, or what would they be able to accomplish or feel like if they pay attention to you. What problems will they be able to solve if they listen to you? But if I was going back 10 years in time, I would be diving all over this. A YouTube channel description helps attract your ideal audience, improve the visibility of your channel, encourage visitors to subscribe. So we're going to see what ChatGPT does for this. About sections, descriptions are an important element of your YouTube channel. When somebody finds you, what is it that you're trying to solve for them? It's not about how special you are. It's about what problems can you solve for them. If they listen to you, what they will be able to do, or what would they be able to accomplish or feel like if they pay attention to you. What problems will they be able to solve if they listen to you? If they give you their attention, the most valuable thing that you can ever ask from anybody is their attention. So you gotta make it crystal clear. So here's a description prompt. With the channel name I chose, and the purpose of my channel in mind, create a channel description that will help my target audience find my channel and interest them in subscribing. Okay, now, so we're gonna go ahead and paste this thing right here. And we're gonna tell it to help us with the description. Here we go, just like that, right? Welcome to Marketing Magic with Manuel Suarez. My superpower is identifying and leveraging digital opportunities to drive exponential growth and attention for business. On this channel, I demystify digital marketing by sharing practical, actionable strategies that you can implement to capture attention, engage your audience, and achieve remarkable growth. Join me as I draw on my extensive experience from helping my father's business amass millions of followers and billions of views to creating a multi-million-dollar Amazon brand and consulting for diverse niches. You'll find real-life case studies, expert interviews, and step-by-step guides designed to help you unlock your business potential and navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape with confidence. Subscribe now to transform your business and master the art of marketing magic. Not bad, right? Yeah. Okay, good. So now we have another element. Does that mean that we're not going to tweak it, improve it, add something to it? No. It means that we are going to accelerate the speed of getting this done so we can launch a channel. If you guys come out of this thing, out of this training today, you should be able tomorrow, in an hour or two, have your own YouTube channel and get it rolling. As simple as that. Okay, back to the slides over here. So, channel keywords help you understand your content for the audience so you can actually get discovered on YouTube. Show it to people who are interested in the topics you're covering. Let's go back to ChatGPT 4.0 right now. I like this one. We were very bored creating these images, as you can see. So we got a channel keyword prompt right here. And it says, based on the above, and who my target audience would be, create a list of 5 to 15 of the best keywords I can use for my channel to help the right audience find my channel. Separate them by commas so that I can easily copy and paste them. All right? And just like that at the bottom, it says digital marketing, business growth, social media strategies, marketing tips, Manuel Suarez, marketing magic, online business, marketing tactics, brand growth, digital opportunities, audience engagement, marketing success, business strategies, social media growth, digital advertising, business transformation, marketing insights, and so on. If I wanted more, I can just ask for more, right? If I wanted the most trending one, I can ask for that too. Let's say that I wanted to get a document so I can download and keep it on my computer. Can I do that? You guys know if I can do that? Can you give them to me in Excel? Excel, or I can ask for a PDF, or I can ask for a comma, separated value document. I can ask whatever I want. Wow. And it's going to give it to me. So now I can start saving these documents. Just like that, I have a document right there. You can see that I can click on this button right here. It's a clickable link, so I can download my Excel file with all my keywords. I'm not going to jump into that, but just so you know the simplicity of saving the work as you go along. So far, does this feel like something, raise your hand if you feel that what I'm doing, you're unable to do because it's too difficult. Raise your hand. Good, right? See the simplicity of it? Very, very good. Go back to the slides over here. So let's get some artwork created for our channel. Now, is that possible? We can also do artwork here. Simplicity of it. Is that real? Okay, banner for the channel. A banner. For this, you need to be an experienced graphic designer. not quite. Let's head back over to ChatGPT. One of the major takeaways that I can give you from tonight's seminar, always have fun when you're working. It makes it that much better. Okay, so here's the prompt. This is what I'm gonna do. You see how I have one conversation that keeps on going? With the above channel name and the purpose of my channel in mind, create a landscape image I can use for my YouTube channel banner. Make sure to follow the design guidelines below. Design, place all text and logos within the safe area to ensure visibility on all devices. Center the channel name and any other text in the safe area, 1546 by 423 pixels centered. Use professional clean design elements and brand colors. Keep the text large and bold for readability. Is it going to do a good job? Now, is this going to replace graphic designers? I'll be honest. I have a big organization. We have 120 staff. We have some people that are indispensable. There are some graphic designers that are geniuses. This thing is not going to replace them. It's not going to replace them. But you know what it will do? It will eliminate your excuses. And the reasons why you cannot get the job done. I did not start with any of this. I had to push through and reinvent, push through so I can get the job that I wanted done. I had to find money and capital to hire people that, in most cases, I couldn't afford. Do you not have access to something that I wish I would have had access to 10 years ago? That would have helped me get there faster if I had it. You have access to it right now. Now I'm using it to go to my next level because there's always levels. When I get to this level, it's always like, oh my God, I thought I was done. Look at all those levels above me, right? And then you keep on going to the next one and then you realize there's more levels and so on, right? But if I was going back 10 years in time, I would be diving all over this. It's not going to replace my genius editors and graphic designers because they are amazing. But the ones that don't use it to get inspiration and to get things rolling are going to become more and more relevant. Because these tools get you going. They get you going and then you tweak and perfect. So let's go ahead and grab that prompt right here. And let's see what it does with it. I apologize in advance. Instead of taking 1 microsecond, it might take about 30 seconds to create a graphic that we can use on our YouTube banner, right? So you gotta have some patience with the tool. It will get better, probably at some point in the next 6 days, right? At the speed that it's going, right? But the ability to create with it at this speed is pretty incredible, right? So how about if I take something like this and I tweak it? Now, by the way, I could tweak it, right? I could actually get this thing, but it has some typos over here. I could tweak it. ChatGPT allows you right now to play around with it. You can actually go ahead and edit the images and say, this is something that you can do. This is a new feature, by the way, that you can actually circle on your phones if you have the app or on the computer, on the browser. You're going to be able to circle the words that have a typo. This is perfect right here. Manuel Suarez. Marketing Magic is perfect, but it has a little typo over here, right? This is like unnecessary. I will be able to go, and I'm not going to open up that can of worms, but I can actually go over here and select this thing over here and say, eliminate that and give it to me again, right? So you'll be able to tweak it. But here's a very, very simple use case. You work with it, and you have it give you variations of it until you find something that you feel, I like that. And then you give it to a designer that knows what to do with it now. You say, because designers, they need direction. You cannot say, give me the most amazing banner ever, up to my standards. That doesn't really work. You have to be able to talk to your designers. So when it comes to making logos, by the way, we're not talking about logos today. You can make logos with it, or banners, or images, or graphics. You can create what you like, because at the end of the day, it's about you. It has to be something that you like. And then you can use it to help me create more of this stuff right here, okay?
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.